10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily. Ready to spice up your sipping routine? Dive into the aromatic world of rosemary tea with 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily. Stick around for pro tips on brewing this herbal elixir and a sneak peek into its side effects, because a cuppa with benefits and a dash of caution is just our kind of tea party. 1. Cognitive boost. While we carry on, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative and beneficial. Thank you. Unlock the mysteries of rosemary, a herbal elixir brimming with cognitive benefits. Within its fragrant leaves lies ursolic acid, a compound renowned for its neuroprotective properties. This acid not only shields the brain from oxidative stress, but also stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, crucial for neuronal growth and cognitive function. Inhale deeply as the aroma stimulates your senses, then take that first sip. Picture the fog lifting, your mind becoming a well-tuned instrument. Make it a morning ritual, a moment of mental clarity, and feel the transformative effects throughout the day. Elevate your cognitive prowess with the daily companion that is rosemary tea. A sip towards sharper thinking, a step towards a more vibrant mind. 2. Immune support. Enriched with rosmarinic acid, a powerhouse antioxidant, and essential oils such as cineole, this herbal elixir becomes an immune-boosting marvel. Rosmarinic acid, a key player in rosemary's defense mechanism, showcases potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Picture it as a vigilant guardian, warding off intruders and fostering a resilient immune response. Inhale deeply as the aromatic oils fill your senses, creating a sensory symphony that signals the strengthening of your body's defenses. With daily consumption, rosemary tea becomes a ritualistic shield, preparing your immune cells for battle. Imagine your immune system as an army, fortified and ready for any microbial onslaught. Each sip becomes a pledge of allegiance to your well-being, fostering a robust immune fortress. 3. Improves blood sugar levels. Enhancing blood sugar management, rosemary emerges as a boon for individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes mellitus. Its efficacy lies in heightened insulin sensitivity, optimizing the pancreas-produced insulin's effectiveness. This enhancement facilitates the efficient absorption of glucose by muscle cells, reducing blood sugar levels. Additionally, rosemary harbors compounds mimicking insulin, further contributing to its prowess in regulating blood sugar. For those navigating diabetes concerns, incorporating rosemary into your routine can be a strategic step towards fostering improved glucose control, providing a natural and aromatic ally in the journey towards metabolic balance. 4. Stress relief. Rosemary tea, a herbal elixir laden with stress-relieving wonders. Within its aromatic leaves lies rosmarinic acid, a compound known to alleviate anxiety and elevate mood. Picture yourself in a tranquil garden as you inhale the fragrant steam rising from your cup, a sensory prelude to relaxation. Rosmarinic acid, a hero in rosemary, modulates neurotransmitters, promoting a sense of calm and serenity. As you sip, visualize stress dissipating, replaced by a gentle wave of tranquility. This herbal infusion also regulates cortisol, the stress hormone, offering a tangible shield against the chaos of daily life. Envision it as a pause button, allowing your mind to reset and rejuvenate. Feel the warmth spreading through your body, a comforting embrace that whispers, "All is well." 5. Digestive harmony. Rosemary is a digestive powerhouse with traditional uses ranging from reducing gas to easing abdominal pains. Its antispasmodic qualities relax digestive muscles, minimizing discomfort and enhancing overall digestion. Notably, it stimulates bile secretion, optimizing fat digestion. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory nature is beneficial for irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. Additionally, it supports a balanced intestinal microbiota, acting as a prebiotic to nourish beneficial bacteria. Beyond digestive aid, rosemary's antimicrobial attributes target harmful bacteria and fungi. In a sense, rosemary is a holistic gastrointestinal ally fostering gut health through diverse mechanisms. 6. Respiratory wellness. Delve into the breath of vitality with rosemary tea, rich in cineol, a compound renowned for its respiratory benefits. Cineol acts as a bronchodilator, easing airflow and promoting lung health. Inhale deeply as you envision the aromatic steam clearing your respiratory passages. Rosemary tea's anti-inflammatory properties soothe respiratory discomfort, offering relief. Picture each sip as a lung revitalizing elixir, optimizing respiratory function. Elevate your well-being with this herbal infusion, a comforting ally in maintaining clear, invigorated lungs. Embrace the daily ritual, letting rosemary tea be the breath of fresh air your respiratory system craves for enduring wellness. 7. Detoxifies. Fatty liver. Rosemary emerges as a liver health champion, actively combating the buildup of dietary fat in the liver. Its benefits extend beyond fatty liver conditions, forming a protective shield against cell damage and inflammation induced by medications or toxins. For those grappling with liver issues, consider consulting on the integration of rosemary, either as a seasoning or through rosemary tea. This strategic move could be a wise step toward detoxifying the liver, ensuring its optimal function and resilience against potential stressors. 8. Anti-inflammatory marvel. Enter the realm of anti-inflammatory prowess with rosemary tea's key player, rosmarinic acid, Ros-A. This water-soluble phenolic compound, an ester of caffeic acid and 3.4-dihydroxyphenyl lactic acid, stands out for its remarkable pharmacological effects. Its anti-inflammatory activity has become a focal point in the study of natural products combating inflammatory diseases. Ros-A, discovered in various plants, displays a broad spectrum of effects, including antioxidative and anti-tumorigenic qualities. Picture Ros-A as a guardian, restoring balance amidst abnormal immune responses. In vitro and in vivo studies have unveiled its effectiveness against inflammatory diseases like arthritis and colitis. Embrace rosemary tea as a daily dose of Ros-A, envisioning it as a natural remedy, alleviating inflammation through a nuanced and comprehensive approach. 9. Blood circulation boost. Elevate your circulatory vitality with rosemary tea, a treasure trove of circulatory benefits. Packed with active compounds like rosmarinic acid and essential oils, this herbal elixir becomes a catalyst for improved blood circulation. Rosmarinic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory, relaxes blood vessels, enhancing the flow of oxygen and nutrients. Envision each sip as a gentle push, invigorating your circulatory system. Beyond this, rosemary tea stimulates the secretion of bile by the gallbladder, aiding in the digestion of fats and indirectly supporting cardiovascular health. Make rosemary tea a daily ritual and visualize your bloodstream as a revitalized highway, efficiently transporting life-sustaining elements throughout your body, ensuring a harmonious balance within. 10. Skin glow. Elixir. Transform your skincare routine with rosemary tea. Picture your skin becoming a canvas of radiance as antioxidants work their magic from within. Sip on this beauty elixir and imagine your complexion reflecting the inner health and vibrancy you feel. How to prepare rosemary tea. For a soothing cup of rosemary tea, gather 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves and 240-250 milliliters of boiled water. Optionally, add sweeteners like sugar, honey, or maple syrup. If using fresh leaves, ensure thorough cleaning. In a pot, bring the water to a boil over medium heat, then reduce it to low. Steep the rosemary leaves in a cup, pouring the boiled water over them, and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Serve hot or cold based on preference. Straining is optional. While sweeteners can be added, appreciating their natural state allows full enjoyment of their aromatic and beneficial properties. Side effects and cautionary notes of rosemary. Understanding the potential side effects and risks associated with rosemary is crucial. Whether ingested in tea, as a seasoning, or applied topically, allergic reactions are possible. Consult a dermatologist before applying rosemary to the skin, especially for those with existing skin issues. Excessive consumption, beyond 2 cups of rosemary tea daily, may lead to digestive issues like bloating and nausea. Caution is paramount, especially for individuals with symptomatic gallstones or bleeding disorders, as rosemary can affect bile secretion and act as a mild anticoagulant. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should avoid rosemary due to limited data on its effects. Moreover, rosemary may interact with medications, emphasizing the importance of consulting healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. A friendly reminder: this video is intended for educational purposes only. If you have health concerns, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this information helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your loved ones to spread awareness of the benefits of rosemary tea.